So class 3 students, today we will start articles. Lesson number 6. Take out your book. Lesson number 6, page number 14. So today we will discuss about articles. We will have to know what is article. So you see in the book, what is article? A, an and the. These words are called articles. So children, we will have to know what is article. For that, we will have to see some examples. You see the picture? This is a flower. The flower is red. Here you see children. This is an orange. The orange is sweet. So what you have noticed in these two examples? First one, flower. Before flower, we put A because F is consonant. For that, we have placed A. And here, an orange. O is vowel. So, we have placed here an. So, you have understood from these examples that before consonant, we will have to put A, and before the vowel sounds, we will have to put an. So, in these examples, we used the words a and the to point out the noun flower and orange. So, a, an and the used to point out nouns are called articles. So, these are called a, an and the. These are called articles. So children, as you know, in grammar, always some rules are to be followed. So here also, we will have to maintain some rules. Now, we will see the rules. A is used before a word that begin with a consonant, such as a, deer. D is consonant, so here we will use A. Here you see, we used an before a word that begins with a vowel sound, such as an umbrella. So children, I hope you know vowels A, E, I, O, U. So here U, umbrella. We have to place here an umbrella. So these 2 points I think clear to you. So we will move to the next point. Here you see some important points. These points always you will have to remember and you will have to follow. Number 1, a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Number 2, we observe the articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. Number 3, article the is used when we talk about the same noun second time, that is, about a particular or definite thing. For example, I had an apple today. The apple was delicious. In the first sentence, we have talked about an apple, and about that same apple, I have talked in the second line, in second sentence. So, the next time I have used the apple. Next, a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is a definite article. So students, let's move to other points. The article is used with both singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or definite. In case of singular noun, for example, children, you see the example properly, then you will understand it. I would like to meet the author. I would like to meet the author of my favorite book. Here you see the author is singular number. Here the has been used. Next point you see, in case of plural noun, for example, here also you see the example properly. Have you seen the lions that are living in the zoo? So here you see lions, here is plural. There also the is used. So children, one thing you remember always, both in singular and plural nouns, the can be used when the noun is specific or definite. We use the when there is only one kind of thing, like the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon, like this. So children, I hope you have understood how to use articles a, an and the in a sentence. Now let's start to solve the questions. Go to page number 14. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Number 1. I use dash umbrella when it rains. So here will be an. Number 2. I have dash glass of juice for breakfast. I have a glass of juice for breakfast. Number 3. My best friend gifted me dash interesting novel. I is vowel, so you will have to place here an. So 4, 5 and 6 you can do yourself. Question number B. Number 1. I wake up early in the morning and go for a brisk walk in the morning. Number 3. Dash earth goes round dash sun. Before earth we will have to place the. The earth goes round the sun. Rest of the blanks you can solve it at home. So children, you practice the rules of the articles, you solve in your notebook. So for today, I'm ending my class. See you in the next class. Thank you children.